What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs, and in today's video, I'm going to be installing the ZL1 style side skirts on my 2021 Camaro SS. Super ready to do this install as my car needed them bad. So do me a favor, if you like this video or if you find it helpful, useful, all of the above, go check out the rest of the mod how-to installation videos on the channels. You see I have quite a few, and smash that subscribe button down below to help support what I'm doing here. As you can see, the car is not behind me. I have it pulled out of the garage so I can pull out my wife's Trailblazer here. She is gonna be my lovely assistant today in installing these side skirts. Disregard if my voice sounds a little different throughout the video. I am under the weather, but I've already put off this install a week, so let's get it started. As you can see, beside me here, we got the two gloss black ZL1 style side skirts from EOS, Extreme Online Store. And down here, we got all the supplies we need: drill, detail spray, some isopropyl alcohol, that's a tongue twister, some detail rags, some tape, got the screws with it, got all this 3M tape. The 3M tape that they provide is not the best, so make sure to go pick some of this stuff up, a lighter, and some scissors. So what I'm gonna do real quick, off camera, is I'm gonna take this detail spray with some of these rags and clean this up and lay the tape. And I'm gonna lay the tape with this heat, just makes it stick a little bit better. So with the magic of editing, that's gonna be done. All right, as you can see, I thoroughly cleaned each skirt and put tape all the way down, as you can see on both of them. And I put the thicker tape along the top because I want the most surface area of this tape on the top. That's where the gaps occur against the car. So now I'm gonna clean up this rocker panel here on both sides. I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm gonna clean this one first, put the skirt on, clean the other side. So I'm gonna clean this with the same detail spray and then go over it with some alcohol, make sure it's really clean, and then jack the car up. All right, I got the car jacked up. I'm losing daylight here. Just show you, because this is a common question. Jack points on the car as far as where to put your stands. I put it right there because it's a subframe. And then the back, I put it right there where that bolt is because that's a main point. And now we're ready to put the skirt on. This is all cleaned up. I'm gonna wipe with alcohol, and we're gonna fast forward this process. We're gonna try it with just self-tapping screws. See how that does. I'm gonna start with the front since the front's warped a little bit. All right, come here. All we need to do, this needs to line up with this. See that back edge should be flat. See what I'm talking about? Alright, see how it's flat right there? Alright. Alright, make sure that don't move. Oh shit. Alright. We just finished up that side. We lost daylight, so kind of rushing. Shouldn't be doing that, but we're gonna do this side now. Same thing, jack it up. I just cleaned it off with some detail spray and some alcohol. I'm gonna jack it up, put this one on. So we just got the passenger side on, and guys, this one looks a lot better than the driver's side. I'm probably gonna turn around and redo the driver's side one day. Thank you to my lovely assistant here. Growing a baby in there. All right, guys, let's just go some good shots in the daylight tomorrow morning. Here we are 2 days later, just finished washing the car. It's a hot one today. I gave it 2 days just so I could see how the tape held up over time. So Guys, they look awesome. Look at it. Let's get this other side. So on the driver's side, what I did is actually screwed the bottom first. Then I tried to go up and push this tape against the car, side of the car here. And the other side I did the opposite. I pressed the tape first, then screwed the bottom. And that seemed to work a lot better. As you see, after 2 days, I'm gonna redo this side because I don't like the way it turned out. There is a slight gap all the way through this side here. You see the tape is separated. Yep. But it gets better as it goes, and then it messes up again right there. But if you look at this passenger side, that's the only issue I have, is that portion right there. The rest of it, it's like perfect. So I'm gonna redo the driver's side. It's gonna be a pain taking all that tape off. I'm gonna redo the driver's side and do it like I did the passenger side. I do need to say, go ahead and use the extra thick, not the thickness, but the width of the tape. Use the extra width tape, just so you get more surface area on there to help hold that top end up. Because if I use that 1/4 inch 3M that I used on the bottom half, I don't think it would have held that skirt up against the side of the car. So now we're gonna pull the car out and get some great shots of these side skirts. Once again, these side skirts are from Extreme Online Store. I do have to say they fit a lot better than the Icon Motorsports side skirts I put on my 2019 RS on the channel as well. So go check out that video if you wanna check that one out. So yeah guys, let's pull the car out and get some great shots. If y'all found this video helpful, useful, all of the above, be sure to go down below and absolutely smash that like button and subscribe button and help support what I'm doing here. I want to thank you guys for clicking and watching this video. Feel free to go check out the website, www.jcscustomshop.com, as you see it linked below and at the end of this video. So yeah guys, until next time, drive safe, peace out.